Today, we review the best 5 Panini Press that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Hamilton Beach Panini Press Sandwich Maker. It has a cool touch handle, and the cafe-style floating lid presses down evenly onto thick or thin bread, and the ridges create aesthetic grill marks on both sides of the panini. If you want to make open-faced sandwiches, the lid locks securely into position over the sandwiches to melt the ingredients without touching the food.
Number 2.
George Foreman Panini Press. Using the Panini Press is simple. Just plug it in and the red indicator light illuminates. When the grill is preheated to the optimal cooking temperature, a green light shows you when it is time to add your panini or sandwich.
Number 3.
Breville Panini Duo Panini Press. The powerful 1500-watt heating element heats up quickly, and the flat bottom plate delivers even heating to make sure that your panini or toasted sandwich is cooked just the way you like it. Even though the base plate is flat, the ribbed top plate creates beautiful grill marks just like a cafe-style panini.
Number 4.
Cuisinart GR11 Griddler Panini Press. Whether it is cooking delicious paninis, grilled sandwiches, burgers or steaks, the 3-in-1 Cuisinart GR11 Griddler Grill and Panini Press is an excellent appliance for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Number 5.
Proctor Silex 25440 Panini Sandwich Press. Whether you want to cook paninis, Reuben sandwiches, or a cheese quesadilla for lunch or a grilled burger for dinner, the Silex has a generous 70 square inch cooking surface that comfortably fits 2 paninis and 4 burger patties. The fast heating 1000-watt element provides quick and even heating results, and the Teflon non-stick cooking plates allow for easy glide food release.